Problem number 4. In this, a square prism 30 mm side, a square prism 30 millimeter side, a base and height 50 millimeter, resting with its base on HP, and one of its base is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. One of its base is inclined 40 degree, and it is cut as shown in the figure, and draw the development. This complete cut section is given in the problem. It has not been drawn, it is given in the problem. This complete cut section is given. The dark part which has shown is cut section. We have to numbering are also given in the problem. Only we have to develop, right? One of its edge is inclined 40 degree, and you have to take 90 degree from these 2 points, cut it by 30, you will get this and this point, and then join the corners, you will get O1. BB1, it is outside, so it is dark. DD1, it is dash because it is inside, which cannot be visible, because of that it is dash. And this small line in between is the axis line with a height of 50. Now numbering how they have given, I will explain. This problem is completely given, it is not drawn. It is, this cut section is completely given. Now the follows the same procedure. A1 first cut, then go for A to B, A to B, A1 to B1, A to B, there is no cut. B1, B1, B, there is a cut, second point. Then B to C, B to C, there is no cut, right? B to C, there is no cut. Then go for C1, there is a cut, right? Third point. Then C to D, there is no cut. Then go for DD1, that is fourth point on DD1. Then fifth point, D1 to A, where it is coming back D1 to, from this point to A point, there is a cut. So that is called as fifth point, there is a cut. So this is how they have given. This cut is given in the problem. Now how to develop? Same, develop 30 into 4. 30 into 4 will get 120, and each block is of 30. Right, each block is of 30. Total 30 into 4. Because of square, 4 sides are there. 30 into 4 is 120 millimeter, and then one block is 30 mm side. This is A1, B1, C1, D1, back to A1. A, B, C, D, A, which are on AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1. First we'll draw it, horizontal line. So first point is here on AA1. So first we'll draw one horizontal line parallel to this. Right, now first point is on AA1, so 1 on either side, AA1s are there, so first point we got. Second point is on BB1, so BB1, this is the second point, directly we get at the top face. This is the first point, right? First point here on AA1s, this is second point at B2. Next, third point, it is on CC1. Here we will get third point on CC1. Next, fourth point, we have to draw a horizontal line parallel to this once again. So fourth point, where is fourth point? This fourth point is on DD1. On DD1, so we will get fourth point. Then where is fifth point? Here it is a fifth point. It is at a distance of D to A, or you can take A to fifth distance. From A I am taking A to fifth distance. From A I will cut. I have taken distance from A. If you have taken from D, you can cut it from D. Now I have taken it from A distance, will cut. So here we will get fifth point. Now all the points have been marked. Now I will join one by one points. Here is the fifth point. So we'll join 1 to 5 first. With the dark line I am joining. Then we'll join 4 to 5. Then 4 back to 3. Next 3 to 2. Next 2 to 1. Right, then we will dark these parts. D1 to 4th point, complete D1, and then A1 to first. So this is the development of given cut section. This part should be made dark. These parts are removed from the developed given problem. Thank you.